And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. We set that shot and just boom, the sun went behind a cloud, what little sun we had this afternoon. It got cloudier as the afternoon hours went on. Partly cloudy is where we're at right now, 8 degrees. That is not our daytime high. We achieved a high of 11 degrees at noon and our low was 3. And we achieved that at 2 a.m. and kind of hung on to that until about 6 a.m. this morning. But you see the winds right now are out of the north, so temperature's starting to drop. Humidity is at 62%. And that is going to go up and down over the next couple of days. As we get into tomorrow, winds are going to be shifting once again to the west and giving us some pretty pleasant temperatures similar to what you're seeing on your screen here right now. But it's late in the day tomorrow we start to see system number 2 move in. So tonight some scattered showers. We've had that reported in various areas in southern Alberta already. And then we get a bit of a break as this first system passes through, get a little bit of clearing in behind, and then another system rotates in from the northwest. And there's 2 or 3 of these that are stacked in like planes on a runway trying to land. And so we're going to have to deal with that over the next few days. Temperature-wise, until we get into Sunday, we're really not that bad. We're below where we should be, of course, but Sunday's the day where we get into minus values for daytime highs. So we have some precipitation already in the form of that snow mixed with rain in the pink areas, and then green is the cloud cover and the precipitation. Various pockets of it, the darker green, higher concentration of rain is being reported in some areas as well. So as we get into the evening and overnight hours tonight, we could see that precipitation in these areas changing into snowfall. So don't be surprised if you have a bit of a dusting on your driveway and your sidewalk tomorrow morning. But as we get into Friday, we get a temporary clearing pattern moving in. So we've got a sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the areas, and then it's late in the day Friday. As we get into Saturday, we start to see this second band of precipitation make its way across in the form of another low pressure center, which it's anchored to. And that puts us in the pattern for the weekend for precipitation. We've got 1 degree in St. John's. We've got snowfall warnings out for Atlantic Canada from another low pressure center that's trying to pull off into the Atlantic Ocean. And then in the Maritimes, not bad right now. The active weather really is moving up across the Great Lakes, southern Ontario, the Nickel Belt, into southern Quebec, expecting winter storm conditions overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Could see 15 centimeters in some areas. 3 degrees in Winnipeg, much quieter out here. 0 in Regina, 0 in Saskatoon, although they had some light snowfall there today. 6 degrees in Edmonton, sun and cloud mix on the coast in Vancouver, and Whitehorse and Yellowknife, not bad for temperatures up there. And they managed to see some sunny breaks throughout the afternoon hours. And tonight's going to be just partly cloudy for both of those areas tonight. East Kootenay, you're looking at that shower activity, a chance of that tonight, -4 for a low, +10 tomorrow, sun and cloud mix. Expecting some showers to develop into the evening hours for you, winds out of the south tomorrow afternoon. For the Crow's Nest Pass, showers tonight, turning to snow in the higher elevations in your area, -5 for a low tonight, and then tomorrow mainly cloudy. Chance of flurries as you get into the evening hours. So the bulk of the day, pretty nice conditions. Medicine Hat, some showers mixed with flurries possible tonight, and then tomorrow, sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the day. You have a chance of some scattered evening showers tomorrow developing, 10 degrees for a high. Lethbridge, we're looking at that chance of shower activity turning to light snow right around midnight, 7 degrees for a high tomorrow, and we are looking at sun and cloud mix for the bulk of the day, and then those showers kicking in as that low pressure center moves in. That sets us up for the weekend. Another round of rain on Saturday. We're looking at that turning into snow and the cooler conditions, -2 degrees for a daytime high on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, we start to see those systems pull away. We have a chance of precipitation on Monday. Tuesday, things start to improve, and it looks like Wednesday and Thursday, we're into those pretty nice positive numbers as we head towards next weekend. So we'll keep you informed how that's looking tomorrow. Now, Dory's story. We've had 6 wonderful recipients this year of the YWCA Women of Distinction Awards. We've been highlighting all of them in groups of 2. This is the last look at our last 2 well-deserving recipients. Sharon grew up on a southern Saskatchewan farm where from grade 1 through grade 9 she rode horseback 3 miles each way to a 1-room prairie schoolhouse. She has worked with children grade 1 through 9 in a 35-year teaching career, the last 20 years being with Lethbridge Public School District number 51 in grade 1 and 2 programs. She earned a Bachelor's of Education with honors in 1981 and a Master's in 1995 from the University of Lethbridge. She has been nominated celebrated for her work with the Child Well-Being Initiative, a grassroots movement of the Alberta and Northwest Conference Women of the United Church, concerned with the unacceptable level of child poverty in our province. Sharon enjoys grandparenting, being active physically, traveling, reading, gardening, doing handicrafts, and volunteering in the community. Madison was born and raised in Calgary and has lived in Lethbridge for the past 4 years. She is very much enjoying her final semester at the University of Lethbridge and is looking forward to graduating with her Bachelor of Arts in Women and Gender Studies in the fall of 2013. She is currently a coordinator for the Campus Women's Centre, where she is a peer counselor and a board director of the Lethbridge Public Interest Research Group. Madison has excelled in academics and became a leader and activist. Her strong sense of love, compassion, respect, fairness, and the pursuit of equality for all guide her life. She has a deep commitment to promoting equality, fairness, and inclusiveness in our society. She plans on attending law school to become a human rights lawyer. Madison was nominated and received the Lawrence Decor Award for Student Leadership in 2012.
Dory's Story, brought to you by Langenberg Optical, once again voted best of the best.